The correct combination of reagents for effecting the following sequence of reaction is. The options are shown here. First, we analyze the reagents A and B. The reagent A options are ozone enriched oxygen and rose bengal. Ozone enriched oxygen is an ozonolysis reagent. It oxidizes alkene bond. Rose bengal is a dye and it can also act as a photosensitizer. During irradiation, rose bengal interacts diene or dienophile. Here the oxygen molecule is excited into singlet state. The singlet state of oxygen can combine with the 1,3-cyclohexadiene gives this cyclic compound. This product also confirms a 4+2 Diels-Alder reaction, photochemically induced Diels-Alder reaction. So, ozone enriched oxygen is not correct answer for the option A. So, the first option is also not correct answer. When we add B reagent, we get the saturated product, that is this alkene bond is hydrogenated. Addition of hydrogen on alkene or alkane bond is known as hydrogenation. The given B options of the products are dipotassium salt of azo dicarboxylic acid, hydrogen gas in the presence of palladium and carbon. Dipotassium salt of azo dicarboxylic acid is the dehydrogenating agent. Hydrogen in the presence of palladium carbon is the hydrogenating agent. Here the hydrogenation takes place. So the B is supposed to be hydrogen palladium carbon, not dipotassium salt of azo dicarboxylic acid. So the dipotassium salt of azo dicarboxylic acids of B options of second one is not correct answer. In the third and fourth options, there is only little bit difference. Here the photochemical condition is given, here thermal condition is given. Rose bengal will be active only in the presence of photochemical condition, not thermal condition. So fourth option is not correct answer. The correct answer is third option. Here the A reagent is oxygen in the presence of rose bengal in photochemical condition, and the B reagent is hydrogen gas, palladium, carbon. Thank you.